Hi, it's Bruce Parker from MarineMax in Lindenhurst, New York. Right now we're going to do a quick short video of the 15 Montauk that we have in our showroom here. It is powered by a 60 horsepower 4-stroke motor, and you can see that it has a cooler in the front with a cushion and backrest for sitting. You also have here storage in the front underneath there for the anchor and some rope and stuff like that. It's got great non-skid, does have the nice bow rail on it. There are 4 rod holders behind the backrest. Got a nice windshield there. And down here you have a little drawer for your tackle storage. Nicely done. As we walk around the back of the boat, you have a helm seat that flips both forward and back for sitting. A very simple dash, easy enough to add a chart plotter if you need. Great little setup with a cup holder. Again, plenty of non-skid on this boat, plenty of room to walk around. For a 15-foot boat, it's got a lot of room on it. Here we have the Mercury 60 horse. More than enough power to push this boat along. These boats run great. That little swim ladder on the back. Got your gas can underneath the helm seat. It's easily removed with straps. So if you want to take it and get cheaper gas on land, it's easy enough to do. And now we're going to move ourselves around a little bit, get past the palm tree. And then we have the storage under the console. And this is where the battery is, the battery switch. And plenty of extra storage in here. So this is a 15 Montauk. We have it on display here in our showroom in Lindenhurst. And we look forward to having you come out and take a look. Hope to see you soon. Bye.